edit the video.
Okay.
So there's actually a setting in Betaflight which prevents me from turning the motors on until I click this button that says I understand the risk. So I'm clicking it now. Connected, the battery voltage is at 15.3 volts. So motor 1 right here is the one that doesn't function properly. Yeah, you can see it just shakes. It's broken. Oh, look at that. It started smoking. That's cool. I'm gonna have to mute the audio. But, so motor 2. Oh yeah. Look at that. It was the electrical tape.
Oh.
Nice. That's a good motor right there. Motor 4.
Oh. It just happened.
I'll edit that out of the video, don't worry. 3. Fine. But motor 4 isn't doing good then. Yeah. That was
You have extra motors?
I'm gonna have to order more now.
Holy shit. What's that?
Alrighty. You can start recording.